Be ready? Start. Mr. Chairman and friends, Para, I am happy to welcome one and all of you and especially welcome the chairman of our group and founder of this company. I am glad that I have got yet another opportunity to meet you all at this annual general meeting of your company, held 10 days ahead of what we did last year. I am extremely happy that our chairman has been able to be present here amidst his multifarious engagements. The reports of the directors and the audited accounts for the year ended 31st December have been with you for quite some time now, and with your permission I shall take them as read. The director's report with certain special charts added this time and my letter of the 10th June have clearly brought forward the various highlights of the working of your company during the year. It would vividly be seen therefrom that continuously for the third year in succession your company could maintain its all-round fantastic growth, which may have rightly described as a shooting star, and still present you the audited accounts on this record time. Para, there is no doubt that the entire team of officers and staff of your company continued to work during the year with a sense of urgency and on the basis of war footing of which I have been speeding to you all along. The result has been an amazing increase in deposits from 10 crores to 30 crores. In fact, during the year, your company was able to mobilize as much as about 20 crores as fresh deposit from as many as 30,000 depositors. I dare say that no other finance or leasing company in the country can boast of such an achievement. More, we had the benefit of renewal of as much as rupees 10 crores during the current year. The refunds were only to the tune of rupees 5 crores. The figures given here indeed speak volumes of the trust and confidence that the depositing public are increasingly reposing in your company, and all this in spite of the keen competition of for available funds from our brethren. There is another interesting feature, that is our intimatable service to the depositors is getting increasing recognition from the investing public in southern states following the opening of our branch office in Solapur. Your directors propose to redouble their efforts in this regard and have accordingly fixed a higher target. I am sure in this behalf I can count fully on your support as also of your friends and relations. Para, a number of finance and leasing companies in country are claiming to be the fastest growing. However, if the rate of mobilization of public deposits is taken into account, which indeed should be a real yardstick for the purpose, I assert that your company stands first in the country today.